Physiological aspect of aging. Aging affects all organs of the human body, but organs affected to different degrees. So, it simply explained that yung mga organs natin hindi na as functional as before na younger tayo. Kasi mas tumatanda tayo, nagbabago din yung function ng organs natin. Tumatanda tayo, hindi lang yung physical aspects yung tumatanda sa atin. Umaano din, naaapektuhan din sa paglipas ng panahon yung mga organs sa paglipas ng panahon ng pagtanda natin, like now maganda pa yung flow ng mga organs natin, functional pa siya, but time goes by, nagbabago yung mga functions ng organs natin, like nung mas bata pa tayo. For example, yung heart natin, as younger, mas maganda yung work. Like, nagpapump siya ng maayos, regular. Pero kapag tumanda na tayo, maaapektuhan na yung function ng mga organs natin. Like, hindi na siya ganun mag-function nung mas younger tayo. Like, yung heart natin, mas maganda yung pump niya ng oxygen, ng blood, para magkaroon tayo ng sapat na oxygen. So, naaapektuhan yung mga organs natin sa paglipas ng panahon, sa pagtanda natin. Pero, naaano naman to with medical interventions na bumabalik din naman yung function niya. Pero, sa tumatanda tayo, nagbabago na yung mga functions, like nagkakaroon na tayo ng mga sakit like cardiac out decrease, blood pressure increase, mga sakit sa puso, lungs, like mga ganun. Mas prone na yung mga matatanda kasi sa age nila hindi na as younger as before.
Physiological aspect of aging. Physiological changes occur with aging in all organ systems. The cardiac output decreases and blood pressures increases. Before menopause is called perimenopause. It may begin several years before your last menstrual period. Signs of perimenopause include: first one is more frequent periods at first and then occasional missed periods. The second one is periods that are longer or shorter. The third one is changes in the amount of menstrual flow. Aging changes and their effects. Menopause is a normal part of woman's aging process. Most women experience menopause around age of 50, though it can occur before that age. The usual age range is 45 to 55. And as hormone level falls, other changes occur in the reproductive system, including the vaginal walls become thinner, drier, less elastic, and possible irritated. Sometimes, sex becomes painful due to these vaginal changes, and your risk for vaginal yeast infection increases. And the last one is the external genital tissue. It decreases and thins, and you can become irritated.
Aging of female reproductive system. Female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of internal and external organs. It creates hormones and is responsible for fertility, menstruation, and sexual activity. So, female reproductive system. Ano nga bang female reproductive system? The female reproductive system is the body part that help women or people assign female at birth. Example is have a human sexual intercourse and reproduce and menstruate. Ano nga ba ang functional of the female reproductive system? The female reproductive system provides several functions in addition to allowing a person to have a sexual intercourse. It also helps a person reproduce egg. Those eggs are transported to your fallopian tube during evaluation, where fertilization by a sperm by occurred the fertilized egg then move to your uterus, where the uterine lining has a thick in response to abnormal hormones of menstrual cycle. Aging of female reproductive system. Aging change in the female reproductive system result mainly from changing hormone level. One clear sign of aging occur when our menstrual period stop permanently. Ito yung nag-i-stop ang isang babae ng pagre-regula at the age of 50. It can occur before that age. The usual age range is 45 to 55. And at the age of 50, the ovaries also stop releasing egg. After menopause, you can no longer become a pregnant woman or hindi ka na magkakaanak sa edad na 50 kasi natanggalan ka na ng or nagkaroon ka na ng menopause at the age of 45 to 50. Other common changes include menopause symptoms such as flushes, moodiness, headache, and trouble sleeping, which can persist for years. Another problem is short term of memory, decrease of breast tissue, lower sex drive, and sexual response. Another example is urinary system change, such as the frequency and urgency of irritation and increased risk for urinary tract infection.
Physiological aspects of aging in males. In middle and old age, the reproductive system undergoes significant changes like gradual decline in fertility na nagkakos ng pagbaba ng bilang ng fertility and birth rate, and fluctuations in the production of sex hormones or ito yung irregular na pag-produce ng sex hormones ng female at male. The male reproductive system undergoes adverse age-related changes. However, the ultimate impact on male fertility is frequently inconsequential. In short, walang masyadong epekto yung mga changes sa reproductive system ng males when it comes to fertility. For example, sperm production decrease with increasing age. Bumababa ang sperm count ng isang lalaki kapag siya ay tumatanda. And itong changes na ito is hindi gaanong nakakaepekto sa fertility ng isang lalaki. However, mahihirapan siyang mag-conceive or makabuntis gawa ng mababa ang kanyang sperm count and gawa na din ng erectile dysfunction. Although pwede siyang gumamit ng medical drugs like Cialis and Viagra. Aging of the male reproductive tract. Ano nga ba ang mga changes sa male reproductive tract when it comes to aging? First one is prostate. Decreased secretions from seminal vesicles and prostate gland lead to reduced volume of ejaculate. It means bumababa yung lumalabas na liquid galing sa seminal vesicles, which is ang semen. And dito, meron ding tinatawag na condition na benign prostatic hypertrophy. Isa itong condition na kung saan yung prostate gland ng isang lalaki is lumalaki, which nagkukos ito ng pag-compress ng urethra na kung saan dito ka mahirapang umihi. Next one is penis. Reduced testosterone levels can cause shrinking and erectile dysfunction. So, bakit nga ba nagkukos ng shrinking and erectile dysfunction ang penis gawa ng pagbaba ng production ng testosterone? Ang testosterone ay isang sex hormone na importante sa mga lalaki. Ang testosterone ay nagre-regulate ng sex drive or libido, bone mass, fat distribution, muscle mass, and strength, and the production of red blood cells and sperm. And the last one is testes. Reduced testicular mass leads to reduction in sperm production and testosterone secretion. Sperm ducts gradually become less elastic. Chromosomal abnormalities. Chromosomal abnormalities have been evaluated in relation to advancing paternal age. and the impact of abnormalities may be small. Ang chromosomal abnormalities are genetics condition na nangyayari dahil sa problema ng isa sa 23 pairs ng chromosomes. There are several different genetic syndromes caused by missing or extra chromosome, including na dyan yung Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, trisomy 18 and 30. Although there is a well-known increase of chromosomal abnormalities associated with advancing maternal age, there does not appear to be a significant increase in fetuses born with chromosomal abnormalities because of advancing paternal age.